Hi, I'm Dave Chambers, owner of Farmstead Cheeses and Wines.
And I'm Eagle, I'm the GM and a retired chef.
And today we're going to replicate a dish for you that I discovered on a recent trip to Sicily. And it requires only 4 ingredients. It's easy to make. You can do it on Friday or Wednesday, any day of the week. Here you go. And this is the dish we'll be making tonight, pasta alla Norma. And it was served to us while visiting this winery, Palmento Costanzo, on the heart of Mount Etna. On the north side, they served this dish along with these wines and had a wonderful time looking through their volcanic ash vineyards. This is a very simple 4-ingredient dish. We're going to start with the pasta. We've got the cavatelli here, but you can use anything that's easy for you. The most common is probably rigatoni. And well-salted boiling water. You've got a tomato sauce cooking down. You can use store-bought. We happen to have some jarred tomatoes from a friend in Boonville who produce way too much. Thank you, Danny and Donna. The old joke is that you never park in the summertime with your windows down because your neighbors will load up your car with their extra tomatoes. And this is an example of that. We have Chef Eagle over here slicing up the eggplant, and we'll cook that up. And then we have the cheese, the ricotta salata, which we're going to slice up into little slivers. We thought it'd be nice to use some Sicilian wines to go with the Sicilian dish. We've got a Frappato and a Nero D'Avola for people to enjoy tonight. And then we're going to top it off with a salad and a nice organic sourdough loaf from our friends at Rise Up Bakery, which we will toast up because it's a couple days old. I've had it here for a while, so we're just going to toast it up. It'll be great.
To your well-salted water, add your pasta of choice. Hi everyone. With your eggplant in the pan, cold, salted, and plenty of oil. When your pasta is ready, in a bowl, combine your sauce, your pasta, and your roasted eggplant, and toss to evenly coat.
Now, if Chef Eagle makes a mistake here, he's agreed to clean my floor. But you may want to just do this with tongs.
Once everything's combined, plate it onto your dish, and you'll want to finish that with some fresh cut basil.
Now, we used the Mark Bittman recipe for this, and it calls for a 1/4 pound of ricotta salata, which is a dried ricotta, so we can shave it like this. We're actually using a 1/2 pound because I know a guy that owns a cheese shop, and we get a great deal. Elisa, which wine went better with tonight's meal?
The first one.
The Frappato. Eagle, you concur? Yep. All right, it's unanimous. Buy the Frappato, buy the ricotta salata, and make pasta alla Norma, even if you don't have a chef in your house.